Welcome. Today in front of me Asus ROG Phone 5s, and I'll show you how to unblock number on this device. So first you should go to the phone application, and here on the right upper corner tap to the three dots icon and just go to the settings. And as can you see here, we got here the call blocking and blacklist section. Go there, and now just go to the blacklist. And as can you see, we got here the two numbers right now in our blacklist. So just to remove one from these numbers from here, tap here to the contact, and here tap to the remove from the blacklist and confirm by tap to OK. And as can you see, we got here the message that our number has successfully deleted from our blacklist. And by the same way, you can just remove the second number and just confirm here with tap to OK, and that's it. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.